It's raining in Gizmo too.
Indeed, but the Giz meteorological forecast is for the clouds to part just about now.
Yay!
Hi, Alva. Hi, Mo.
Hello.
Hi, Oolies.
Yuck! How are we going to get across?
Ha! You will never make it over the puddle of doom!
Yes!
Huh?
Whee! Woo!
Yay!
Break out the troll dust and let's get Mo!
Tiptoe through the Oolies!
Through the Oolies with me! Tiptoe through the Oolies!
Why would anyone tiptoe through flowers and sing so badly?
I've no idea.
Neither do I.
Tiptoe through the Oolies with me!
Good, they're gone. I really hope I never have to hear singing like that again.
It was not within any tonal range I am familiar with. Well, tonal range. Tonal range. Blah, blah, blah.
Mo, are you okay? How can we fix Mo and the Blobbos?
We need an Oolie helper.
Oolie helper, here to help.
Oolie helper, Mo has a bad case of troll dust.
Ooh, an Oolie broom. Hey, that tickles. Stop.
You're okay now, Mo.
Alva, I feel like I have been in a dream. Everything was so fast and I didn't seem like myself at all.
It must not be very nice to feel like that.
It seems I was singing.
Well, you tried. Hey, I'm Alva, and today my family vlog is all about...
Achoo!
Yes, today it's all about my little brother Finn. You see, poor Finn has a terrible cold. Isn't that right?
Yes.
The bad thing about having a cold is you feel really yucky. But the good part about being sick in this house is Dad gives you more screen time. Finn's playing a game on Kickbat. It's a super safe gaming site for kids.
Ooh, ooh.
What is it? Uh-oh.
Ah, I was on the last level of Zap Runner 2.
What's up?
This.
Ugh, our virus protection software is out of date. We'd better update it quickly, or the tablet could get sick.
Really? The tablet could actually get sick.
Hi, Alva.
You look tired.
I detect severely depleted energy levels. May I recommend a nap? I absolutely would love a nap.
Why are you so exhausted?
It's those trolls.
Why am I not surprised?
Oh, yay! Oh, yay! There's a case of the sneezles in Gizmo.
The sneezles? That's not Oolie-rific news at all.
What are the sneezles?
Well, the sneezles is a very contagious bug with one really big symptom. Oh. What sort of mischief should we get up to? Sneezles, stay away from me. What if I catch it? What if all of Trollum catches it? Who would bother the Oolies then?
No silly germ is going to make me stay at home.
Ah, that means the Oolie Froom is cooking up a cure for the sneezles.
Hey, everyone. Hello, Oolie Helper. What's going on?
You're just in time! Party time! Oolie helpers do a wonderful job helping everyone to stay healthy.
Hey.
So, what better thank you is there than an Oolie-rific partay?
I'm Sneezy, and I support the Oolie Help